Welcome back my YouTube channel Old Coins Collection, your ultimate destination for discovering rare and valuable coins from the past. Today, we have something very special for you. Imagine holding a coin that's worth up to $70,500. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. In today's video, we'll take an in-depth look at the 1969 Washington quarter dollar, a coin that's been a game-changer in the numismatic world. Stick around until the end to learn how this coin could make you a fortune. This coin, 1969 Washington quarter, is a staple of the United States Mint, but one in particular has caught the attention of collectors and investors alike. Why? Well, it's because of a rare error that occurred during its production, making it an extremely valuable find. Before we dive into the details, let's talk a little about the Washington quarter's history. The Washington quarter was first minted in 1932 to commemorate the 200th anniversary of George Washington's birth. Since then, it's become one of the most iconic coins in American history, with various designs and versions over the years. Now, let's take a look at the typical 1969 Washington quarter. On the obverse, we have a portrait of George Washington, designed by John Flanagan. The reverse features a bold eagle with its wings outstretched, symbolizing freedom and strength. The coin is made of cupronickel and weighs about 6.25 grams. But here's where things get interesting. Most 1969 quarters are not worth much more than their face value of 25 cents. However, what makes some 1969 quarters so valuable is the possibility of them being error coins. You see, in 1969, the U.S. Mint accidentally produced a small number of coins with very specific errors. And some of them are worth tens of thousands of dollars. Let's dive deeper into the reason why some of these coins are worth up to $70,500. The main reason behind this high valuation is the double die error. A double die occurs when the die used to stamp the design onto the coin is misaligned or gets struck more than once, causing the image to appear double. This is most noticeable in the lettering, like the Liberty and In God We Trust inscriptions. As you can see, on a normal 1969 Washington quarter, the letters are crisp and clear. But in the case of the double die, you'll notice a slight shadow or doubling effect. If you look closely, you'll see the doubled appearance of the letter L in Liberty and G in God. It's not just a cosmetic flaw, it's a rare mistake that happened during production, and only a few of these quarters exist. Now, you might be wondering, why is this error so valuable? Well, error coins are rare, and the more limited the supply, the higher the demand. In the case of the 1969 Washington quarter with the double die error, fewer than a handful of these coins were discovered. This rarity, combined with the fact that it's part of the well-loved Washington quarter series, makes it a collector's dream. Most regular 1969 Washington quarters are worth about $5 to $10 in circulated condition. But when you come across one with this specific error, the value skyrockets. One such coin sold at auction for an astonishing $70,500. Yes, you heard that right. That's the kind of value that can make any coin enthusiast's heart race. Now, let's talk about how you can identify if you have a 1969 Washington quarter that's worth this kind of money. Here's what you need to look for. 1. Examine the lettering. Check the inscriptions Liberty and In God We Trust. The most noticeable sign of the double die is a shadow or ghosting effect of the letters. If you can spot this doubling, it's a strong indication you found something rare. Point 2. Look for doubling on other areas. While the most common places for the doubling to appear are the inscriptions, check other areas of the coin too. Sometimes the doubling can appear on the rim or on the eagle's feathers. 3. Professional grading. If you think you found a 1969 Washington quarter with a double die, it's important to get it professionally graded. A certified coin can fetch far more than an uncertified one. Coins graded by professional services like PCGS or NGC tend to get a premium price. Remember, not every 1969 quarter is valuable, so don't be fooled by minor imperfections or wear and tear. It has to be a genuine double die error to be worth thousands. So, let's say you have a 1969 Washington quarter that you think might be valuable. How much could you sell it for? The value will depend on several factors. Condition ***. Coins that are in mint condition, uncirculated, fetch the highest prices. Rarity of the error ***. the more pronounced the doubling. The higher the value grading asterisk. As mentioned, professional grading can significantly increase the coin's market price. If your coin is in top-notch condition and graded well, you could see offers anywhere from $10,000 to $70,500, depending on its rarity. Once you've found that rare and valuable 1969 Washington quarter, you'll want to protect it. Here's how: handle it with care asterisk. Always wear cotton gloves when touching rare coins. Avoid using your bare hands, as oils from your fingers can damage the surface. Store it properly asterisk. Use a high-quality coin holder or capsule to store your coins safely. These can help protect it from the elements and prevent any further wear. Get it professionally graded asterisk. As mentioned earlier, having your coin graded by a trusted service is essential for determining its value and increasing its marketability. So there you have it, folks. The 1969 Washington quarter dollar may seem like an ordinary coin at first glance, but with the rare double die error, it could be worth up to $70,500. Always keep an eye out for these valuable error coins, and remember, condition and grading are crucial when determining a coin's value. If you enjoyed this video and want more coin tips, rare finds, and valuable information, make sure to like, subscribe Old Coins collection,